In today's video, we're gonna be making the highly requested queso frito. This Nicaraguan style fried cheese is crispy, a little chewy, a little bit creamy, and it's addicting. We literally put it on everything and anything. So let's get into it. Hello, mi gente, and welcome back to Nata Knows Best. I'm your host, Nata, and today we're making Nicaraguense queso frito. Now, this has been a highly requested video. In the past, I've showed how to make queso frito, but several of my subscribers have reached out to me and asked me, hey, can you make a dedicated video? So here you go. This is a super simple recipe, but there are a few tips and tricks on how to make the perfect queso frito. So let's get right into it. The number one question that I get when it comes to how to make queso frito is, what type of cheese should I buy? Now, Nicaraguense queso frito is made with soft white cheese, but it specifically has to say that it's frying cheese on the package. So in Spanish, it would say queso para freír. But to help you guys out, I actually went to the supermarket and I filmed some of the other brands that are really popular, and I figured I'd show you some of the varieties that there are. You can find a lot of these brands in the refrigerated section next to the traditional sliced cheeses. You could also find it in the ethnic, international, or Spanish aisle. Sometimes I've even seen it in the artisan cheese section, you know, where they have those specialty cheeses like the fetas and the gruyères and the goudas. Sometimes I've even seen it there. Some of my favorite brands that I love are El Latino, which I'll list right here for you. This is a brand that's based out of Central America. There's another brand that I love that I'm actually gonna be using today that it's called Tropical, which is also known as Tropical. Now, this brand is used a lot in the Caribbean by Dominicans. Shout out to my Dominicans. You guys love queso frito and I'm with you guys. It's delicious. So those are a few brands, but you'll see that there are others just as long as they say frying cheese. So once you've found your queso frito brand, you're going to cut the cheese in thick slices, just like this. It's about, I would say, 1 inch all around. If you're curious about the difference between frying cheese and traditional soft white cheese has a higher melting point, so if you were to fry it, it wouldn't hold its shape. So I finished slicing up our cheese and I moved over to my frying section. I have a frying pan here with a little bit of olive oil. I'm actually going to shallow fry this queso frito, but there is another way that you could do it. You could also deep fry it, so it really is up to preference. However, the second most popular question that I get is, once I have my cheese, do I have to add any additional ingredients to it? And the answer is no. The great thing about queso frito is that it's literally just cheese that you're gonna fry. It's not like making mozzarella sticks where you have some type of dredge with flour, egg, breadcrumbs. You don't need any of that. All you need is your cheese. And like I said, I'm going to be shallow frying our queso frito today. So you wanna make sure you have plenty of oil and you're going to heat it to medium heat. Our oil is nice and hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and add our cheese. So one of my most important tips to making queso frito is to make sure that you only fry it from 2 to 3 minutes on each side, no more than 3 minutes. And that's because if you've ever had queso frito and it's been extra chewy and it's almost rubbery and you kind of hear that squeaky noise in your mouth, that means that it's been over fried, and that's not what you want. You kind of want the center to still be a little soft. So to make sure that it's the perfect texture, you're going to fry your cheese on medium heat for no more than 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You'll know the cheese is ready to be flipped when the edges are just slightly golden brown. Perfect. Another thing that I love about making queso frito is that you literally don't even need to salt the cheese. It's not like your typical fried foods where you sprinkle some salt on top of it. This cheese already comes with plenty of salt, and it also has a really high moisture level, so it's gonna be extra crispy, but also nice and soft in the middle. So this round of queso frito is done, so I'm going to place it on a plate with some paper towels just to absorb some of that excess oil. There you have it, mi gente. That's how I make Nicaraguense queso frito. I have all of them lined up looking extra crispy and also perfect. So I'm gonna give you guys a taste test. Here you go. So good. I'm literally obsessed with queso frito. Like many Nicaraguenses, we will typically serve it along with some Gallo Pinto, along with some Carne Asada. Sometimes we even have it along with repollo, which is our pickled cabbage salad. I've showed you guys how to make that recipe. I'll post it right here. We've also served this with tajadas, which are some fried green plantains. You think of it, you more than likely can pair this queso frito with it. So if you guys liked this recipe, go ahead and give me a giant thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I will be posting this recipe to my website, which is nataknowsbest.com. I will also post this recipe on my playlist, which is called Nata Knows Nica. This is a playlist that has all of my favorite Nicaraguense recipes, so go ahead and check that playlist out. Stay tuned for next week for another delicious recipe. And as always, mi gente, thank you so much for watching. Nata Knows Best.